I'll create a virtual environment with uvvenv, and I'll install Trelis-openai-logger, which is just like installing OpenAI, because this is a wrapper that will send and log your data to Postgres. Now I'm going to run a simple script that will import OpenAI, define a client, point to the Postgres database that I've set up locally. I'll show you how to do that later, and get a response from OpenAI using GPT 4.1 mini and print the response. So I'm going to copy all of this. Now, before I do that, there's one more step I need to do, which is export my OpenAI API key. So I need to paste it in there. I'm just going to do that off screen now. Okay, I've entered my API key, and now I'm ready to start a Python interpreter. You could just save this little script to a file and do uv run the script.py. I'll paste in that little snippet and press enter. And you can see I get back a response, and it's got the answer 1 and 2 added is 3. So that's good. And I'll exit now my interpreter with Control D. So at this point, I've just sent a query to OpenAI, and now it should be logged. We can take a look at what the log looks like. If we go all the way down to a section here on querying the logs, we can connect to the Postgres database locally, and I'll go through this more slowly in a moment. And we can then make a query to inspect the last conversation, just like this. And here you can see the latest records. So you can see the time, the model, the input messages, of which there's just one. The system message would be there if it existed. The assistant response, there's no tool calls, the latency, and the total tokens. So there you have a very simple example. And now I'm going to show you how you can set up that local database, or how you can point Trelis-openai-logger to a database that's running on a digital Ocean Droplet.